Hello, today I would like to show you a quick video about fixing my dremel-like multi-tool from Parkside by using replacement parts that I've got from the AliExpress, and the same time we've got a little bit of improvement. So let's start from taking a look what's happened. So this is a cheap knockoff of a Dremel multi-tool. Here we've got a model number, and the device is quite nice. This is a transformer. Here we've got a plug, and it was working very well, and I was happy. But I was trying to cut using this speed click blades, and I was trying to tighten it forcefully, and something broke inside, and that parts got damaged, that thread, and I'm unable to screw it. Lucky the thread here is okay. So the only problem was in this piece of equipment, and I start looking for replacement, and this is what I came across on the AliExpress. But maybe first show you how this is working. So it was quite painful to work with, and if we take a look here, most of these tools have a different shaft. They've got a different size, and because of that difference, as you can see, we need to use a different insert in the chuck, and here is a whole lot of different attachments, and you have to carefully find the proper one. If you do not choose a proper one, then even if you thread it, it go like this. So here you put your insert, here you put your tool. This is not the correct size, but I'm just showing you this as an example. There goes tool, you lock it, and I had a wrong shaft on this rotary blades, and it didn't catch, it was sliding, so I forced it too much, and as you can see, it's rotating. The thread is damaged. Okay, so this is how it was before. That was painful and bad, and this is the solution. It came with 3 different sizes, and as you can see, here we've got a chuck that looks a little bit like a drill chuck, and you do not put any insert here, you just rotate it, and as you're rotating it, as you can see, the chuck is going to grab your tool. So no more problem in finding the correct size. Maybe they are all the same. Could they be the same? Let me unscrew it. Maybe they have exactly the same size. Let's try to grab my cutting wheel, and this is the best tools. I recommend you only this. I'm using this on my electric one on the full AC voltage. Never do not use these blades because they do not have that fiber insert, and if it's rotating and you apply force, it's going to break and put the shrapnels on all sides. There is no enforcement like on this. Here is a fiber, and it's going to protect the wheel from exploding if you apply force like this. And let's take a look, does it fit? I'm pretty sure it will. And looks like it does. Look like it does. Not sure, should I apply more force? But we can try to cut something and take a look. Let me grab a small nail. Okay, I've got a nail and a pliers. We are going to try to cut it. And let's take a look what's going to happen. And it goes pretty nice. The pliers are not good for that kind of job. Let's try one more time. And it did the job done. So yes, if you ask me, I absolutely recommend this as an improvement. The replacement chuck from the AliExpress, 100% good and worth of recommending. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.